Hello everyone, welcome to this GRE training program. My name is Ankur and I head the GRE training program at Imperial Overseas Education Consultants. We are a group of trainers and coaches and counselors who've been into this field for several years now, coaching and training and counseling every year, sending a lot of students to US and various countries. We've been into GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL and IELTS coaching specifically over the last several years. We have faculty who have done their masters, their PhDs, some of them from US, some of them from other countries. So it's a very rich team, and you'll be meeting many of them during this online video tutorial series. I myself have done my BTech from IIT Varanasi. Then I did my masters in mechanical from University of Maryland, College Park. But thereafter, I started working in engineering, but I wasn't too happy. My main passion was education. I did a second master's with a focus on education, spirituality, and holistic, education. After that, I've been into various roles, mainly into coaching, counseling, even GRE, GMAT coaching as well as life coaching. I love to teach GRE and GMAT. It's a very interesting test. I'm gonna tell you about that and this program in the next video. So I really am happy that you are watching this and invite you and welcome you to this program. Thank you. Alright guys, in this video I want to share with you about the program, this training program that we have. It's a 12-week program if you do one video per week. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I'll just zoom it. Right. So the topics that we discussed, numbers, word problems, like that. So each of those topics is one lecture, right? So as you can see on the screen, first is numbers, which we will be doing in a short while. Then you have word problems, which is again one entire lecture. Then there is doubt solving of those two. Then fractions, decimals and percent, statistics, all those topics which I mentioned earlier, each of those topics we have one lecture, right? Now what will happen is, if you're doing it online, you'll get the same lecture, you'll be watching it at home. The numbers lecture you will watch, there will be classwork, there will be concepts discussed, then there will be classwork which we'll do. After that you will practice the home set and then you will look at the video of the doubt solving, numbers and word problems. So the entire classroom training is available online. So if you do this once a week, right, if you watch one video per week and you do the home practice for that, it will take you 12 weeks, right? So that's why it will be about 3 months if you do it once a week for one quant and one verbal. Then we'll have 1 month of full length tests. So whether you are online or whether you joined us in classroom, you will have access to online tests which you will write over a period of a month. So typically the structure is such that it takes about 4 months with one quant lecture per week and one verbal lecture per week. However, if you want to do it faster, obviously that option is there. You can watch 2 videos in a week of quant and 2 videos of verbal in a week. So basically 2 lectures, 2 classes you can do per week of quant and 2 per week for verbal. In that case, you can finish this entire thing in a month and a half. And then you can practice the full length test and write the final test. So this is how the structure is in verbal. You will have all these video lectures, reading comprehension. There's a lot of videos because there you need more practice. So the classroom also the same structure is there, which you will have it online. You will be doing these classes, reading comprehension 6 lectures, sentence completion 1 and 2, sentence equivalence 1 and 2, and those 2 essays which I talked at the beginning. We have 1 class for each, the issue essay and the argument essay. So this is the entire class, the structure of the classes which is now available online.